welcome to this edition of You and the Law. On You and the Law, I add law to the news. I discuss the issues of law in the breaking news, and I also create time to discuss other issues of importance from time to time. And this is one of such instances where I am discussing something away from the breaking news. My name is Ekeminudim. I'm a legal practitioner, and I'm always glad to know that you are there keeping me company on this channel. One of the fundamental rights available in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the right to freedom from discrimination. I shouldn't be discriminated against. I should be accommodated. I should be allowed to exist and exist freely like a citizen of the country, to enjoy all the rights available to citizens of the country, irrespective of my race, irrespective of my religion, irrespective of my political affiliation, irrespective of my status, educational or otherwise in society. I should be given the right, the freedom, the liberty to enjoy all the rights available to citizens of the country, and I should not be denied these rights as a result of discriminatory tendencies. These and many more are the things I am discussing on this very edition of You and the Law. Now, what section of the Constitution provides for the right against discrimination? It is section 42 of the Constitution. And what does it say exactly? Now, this takes us to the Constitution itself, which I'm displaying on the screen for all of us to see while I voice over it, and after that we'll continue with the analysis of this very provision. And I read, so as displayed on the screen, section 42 sub 1 of the Constitution says, a citizen of Nigeria of a particular community, ethnic group, place of origin, sex, religion, or political opinion shall not, by reason only that he is such a person, be subjected either expressly by or in the practical application of any law enforced in Nigeria or any executive or administrative action of the government to disabilities or restrictions to which citizens of Nigeria of other communities, ethnic groups, places of origin, sex, religion, or political opinions are not made subject. Section 42 sub 2 says, and I quote, no citizen of Nigeria shall be subjected to any disability or deprivation merely by reason of the circumstances of his birth. Unquote. So, as seen on the screen there, you can see clearly that the Constitution does not accommodate any discrimination of a citizen on the basis of his sex, circumstances of his birth, place of origin, status in society, or any other indices whatsoever. So, the Constitution simply means that what should be enjoyed, what is enjoyable to members of a particular ethnic group should be enjoyed by other members of other ethnic groups. Okay, so certain privileges should not be given to some group of persons in society and denied other group of persons in society. The law envisages equality of opportunities, equality of privileges, equality of rights. So, the fact that a man was born out of wedlock, the fact that someone was born in a particular community where you have the caste system, where certain people are segregated and described as people coming from the gods and so on, the caste system in some parts of the country, the practice of ostracizing some persons because of the circumstances of their birth, because it is said that their foreparents were slaves in a particular community, and therefore the children, the fruits of many generations are not allowed to enjoy privileges in the community, rights and so on in the community. All such practices have been described as being unlawful, and therefore anybody that is subjected to go through that, such person's right is infringed upon, and if it is taken to the court of law for interpretation, certainly the court will interpret to the extent that the persons perpetuating such action are persons that have gone against the provisions of the Constitution, and when that is done, damages is usually provided, damages is usually awarded against the offending party. So the central message here is that all Nigerian citizens are born equal, irrespective of where someone is born, and therefore all privileges, all rights, all benefits of citizenship should be enjoyed by everybody without any restriction whatsoever, without any discrimination whatsoever. Thank you for watching this very episode of You and the Law. I do hope you have learned one or two things about these very fundamental rights. I do also hope you have subscribed to the channel. If you have not already subscribed, do well to subscribe to the channel and also share the link with friends on social media platforms so that together we can continue to learn as much as we can from the basic principles of law applicable to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, basic principles of law applicable at the regional level in Africa and also in other parts of the world. Thank you very much for watching. I remain your friend and your host. I remain your lawyer, Ikemenudim, and I'm always glad to know that you are there keeping me company.